In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Evernote notes with another user. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're collaborating on a project, sharing research, or simply distributing information. Sharing notes in Evernote is straightforward, but there are a few nuances to ensure that your recipient has the appropriate access. To get started, first you'll need to open the specific note you wish to share. Make sure you've selected the correct note, as you'll be granting someone access to this particular content. Once you're in the note, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see either a Share button or a three-dot menu icon. Both options will guide you to the same sharing settings. Click on either the Share button or the three-dot menu to proceed to the sharing options. Now you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's name or email address. Here, you have the choice to add as many people as you like. Make sure to double-check email addresses for any typos to prevent any sharing mishaps. It's also helpful to note that you can only share with someone who has an Evernote account, so be sure they're signed up and have access to the platform. After adding the recipient, the next step involves choosing the level of access you wish to grant. Evernote offers you 3 distinct levels of permissions. If you select Full Access, the recipient will be able to edit your note and even invite others to view or edit it. This option is ideal for deep collaboration where multiple minds are working together, like if you're in a team project or co-authoring a document. If you prefer to allow the recipient to make edits, but not invite others, choose the Can Edit option. This setting restricts them to modifying the note, which is perfect if you want to retain control over who sees your content but still allow for collaborative input. Finally, the Can View option lets your recipient view the note without making any changes. This is useful for when you want to share completed work or information intended for viewing only, like guidelines or newsletters. Once you've carefully assigned the appropriate access level, it's important to finalize the sharing process. Simply click the Send Invite button. The recipient will then receive an email or notification, depending on their Evernote settings, inviting them to view the shared content. It's as simple as that. With these straightforward steps, you can now efficiently share your valuable notes in Evernote with others. Remember to carefully select your access levels to ensure your content is used appropriately. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sharing.